Hey, this is Jeremy from Unito. Quick demo on how to connect Jira with Airtable. I'm inside of Unito already, and I've created this workflow where I've connected my Airtable base called Building the Yellow Brick Road to two different Jira projects, my Wicked project and my Wizard of Oz. And the goal here is for my product management team that's working out of Airtable to be able to create new issues and new items on the roadmap and have them automatically sync into the appropriate engineering project in Jira. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to go into Airtable, and I'm going to create a new record here in my Kanban view. And in this record, I'm going to give the name of the new feature that I want to create, called Now in Technicolor. I'm going to assign it to the team in question. In this case, I want to sync it to the Wicked team that's working on this Now in Technicolor project. I'm going to add the status, say that it's in the backlog. I can add more information like when this should start, when this should end. And all of these fields are customizable, so you can really mix and match what information should come across to get the right level of detail between the two tools. Add a little description too for our upcoming film. So now Unito is going to see that this record's been updated and is going to take this Airtable record and bringing it to Jira in the right place with the right corresponding issue. If I flip into Jira and hit refresh, I'll see the issue appear in this Wicked project in Jira with all of the same information that I added on Airtable. And the beautiful thing with Unito, of course, is that if I now make changes to this Now in Technicolor Jira issue, change the due date, add an assignee to it, that information is going to sync back up to Airtable, and my product managers are going to be able to see the work that's been done. So if I change the status of this, for example, from to do into progress, that information is synced. You can do this one way, you can do this two ways, both fields and the whole issues themselves. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team, help@unito.io, and happy syncing.